Assalamu alaikum. Okay, how are you all?
We are doing great. How about you?
Yes, I'm also keeping good. Glad to see you and glad to meet you here. I'm really surprised. Glad to meet you.
Let's meet you too.
Okay, so I think you all are getting ready mentally and physically
Yes, sir.
to join the cultural program. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, I like to introduce some of the singers and also some of dancers. There are so many dancers and singers. So all of them are waiting to perform themselves. Okay. So before going to the session or platform, please give a big hand for them. And firstly, I like to request Mr. Dhruvo. Is your name Dhruvo?
Yes, sir.
So Dhruvo, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
What song would you like to sing?
Sir, শোনো একটি মুজিবরের থেকে।
Okay, that's great. So look at the camera and let's sing a song.
শোনো
let's start.
একটি মুজিবরের থেকে লক্ষ মুজিবরের কণ্ঠস্বরের ধ্বনি
Yes.
প্রতিধ্বনি আকাশে বাতাসে উঠে রনি। বাংলাদেশ আমার বাংলাদেশ, বাংলাদেশ আমার বাংলাদেশ। শোনো একটি মুজিবরের থেকে লক্ষ মুজিবরের কণ্ঠস্বরের ধ্বনি প্রতিধ্বনি আকাশে বাতাসে ওঠে রনি। বাংলাদেশ আমার বাংলাদেশ, বাংলাদেশ আমার বাংলাদেশ। সেই সবুজের বুক চেরা মেঠো পথে আবার যে যাব ফিরে আমার। হারানো বাংলাকে আবার তো ফিরে পাবো। শিল্পে কাব্যে কোথায় আছে হায়রে মন সোনার খনি। শোনো একটি মুজিবরের থেকে লক্ষ মুজিবরের কণ্ঠস্বরের ধ্বনি প্রতিধ্বনি আকাশে বাতাসে উঠে রনি। বাংলাদেশ আমার বাংলাদেশ, বাংলাদেশ আমার বাংলাদেশ। বিশ্বকবি সোনার বাংলা নজরুলের বাংলাদেশ, জীবনানন্দের রূপসী বাংলা রূপের যে তার নেই কো শেষ। বাংলাদেশ বিশ্বকবি সোনার বাংলা নজরুলের বাংলাদেশ, জীবনানন্দের রূপসী বাংলা রূপের যে তার নেই কো শেষ। বাংলাদেশ জয় বাংলা বলতে মনে রে আমার এখনো কেন ভাবো আবার। হারানো বাংলাকে আবার তো ফিরে পাবো। অন্ধকারে পূর্বাকাশে উঠবে আবার দিনমণি। শোনো একটি মুজিবরের থেকে লক্ষ মুজিবরের কণ্ঠস্বরের ধ্বনি প্রতিধ্বনি আকাশে বাতাসে উঠে রনি। বাংলাদেশ আমার বাংলাদেশ, বাংলাদেশ আমার বাংলাদেশ, বাংলাদেশ আমার বাংলাদেশ।
Good, well done. Give a big hand again. That's absolutely fantastic. Am I right? We all have enjoyed a lot, and especially he is highly appreciated because he has given efforts on his song so smartly. And today we all are proud of you. Thank you very much, Mr. Dhruvo. And now this is time for another one. And of course, one of the singers is waiting to sing. He will sing English song. Okay, are you ready to listen to English song?
Yes, sir.
Okay, welcome back from Jahir's English Care, Mr. Mongla. Mongla is our, of course, brilliant student, and he's also one of the best singers in English. Okay, let's get started. Please take it. Though you're not a professional singer, but as far as I believe, you can sing a lot. Okay, so that's my expectation. Carry on, please. Okay.
Okay. At first, I would like to express out my heartfelt love to the viewers and today who are here in this wonderful study tour. We have enjoyed a lot, but this is the time to departure time almost.
Okay.
So right now, I would like to just not best singer. I'm just a tiny singer. So I just now to kick off my sing. It's a beautiful song, who is from the American.
Yes.
Who is from the American?
Please.
One of the most greatest, Mr. Don Williamson. Today, I would like to at first my heartfelt love to the heartfelt love and most respectful Mr. Don Williamson. So I'm now going to sing some.
Okay, carry on, carry on. Let's start.
This is uh, hiding from the rainstorm.
Okay, could you share with a big hand?
Okay.
Okay, carry on. Okay, let's start.
Hiding from the rain and snow, trying to forget, but I won't let go. Looking at the crowded street, listening to my own heartbeat. So many people all around the world. Tell me, where do I find someone like you, girl? Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand before I'm old. Show me what the love is, haven't got a clue. Show me that the wonders can be true. They say nothing lasts forever. We're only here today. Love is now or never. Bring me far away. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand, they hold me. Show me what the love is. Be my guide, start it easy. Take me to your heart. Standing on the mountain high, looking at the mountain clear sky. I should go, I see some friends, but they don't really comprehend. Don't need too much talking without saying anything. All I need is someone who makes me wanna sing. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand before I'm old. Show me that the wonders.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, Mr. Mongla,